Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to integrate your WooCommerce store with Google Tag Manager. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the platform from where we are using WooCommerce. If you're using WordPress just like me, go to wordpress.com, and after opening it up, this is going to be the homepage you're greeted by. From here you can get started managing all the plugins that we have, and if you have not already set up your WooCommerce store, you can do so from the plugin section at the left side of the screen by opening up plugins and searching for WooCommerce. Here you can find all the plugins that you need for setting up your store, and once you have done that, now we can go ahead and integrate it with the desired platform, and in this case it's going to be a Google Tag Manager. So what you're going to do is go to WooCommerce.com right here. This is the official website, and open up the extensions menu right here and the marketplace, from where we can find all the extensions we can use for WooCommerce store. And what you're going to see immediately right here in the homepage is the Google for WooCommerce extension. This is what you want to open up. After opening it up, it's going to look like this, and as you can see guys, this is going to enable us, if you scroll down a bit, it's going to enable us to get custom insights and improve your conversions using Google Tags. So this is going to enable you to integrate Google Tag Manager with WooCommerce. So all you have to do is just click Add to Store. By clicking Add to Store, you're going to follow the steps to integrate this with the store you have created on WordPress. Once you finish that, you can use the manager, and this is going to enable you to integrate those two platforms. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.